In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate image to video in Magnific AI Desktop. To begin, open Magnific in your browser and head into the app. On the left side, look for Video Generator and open it. This is where you'll set up everything for turning still images into a short animated clip. Start by choosing a model. Models can vary in look and speed, so pick the one that best matches your style and the turnaround time you need. If you're unsure, select the default, and you can always try others later. Next, open the References section. References guide the system on what to keep consistent across frames, such as subject, style, or overall vibe. Now set your start image. Click the Start Image option, select an image from your library, or upload one from your device, then click Add to confirm. After that, choose the end image. You'll repeat the same steps. Select or upload, and click Add. Using a clear beginning and ending frame helps the generator create a smooth transition. Type your prompt. Keep it descriptive and concise. Explain the motion you want between the two images, any camera movement, mood, or effects. Think of it as instructions for how the scene should evolve. Choose the duration. A longer duration allows for a more gradual transition. A shorter one feels snappier. Then choose the layout that fits where you'll post the video, like portrait for stories, landscape for widescreen, or square for feeds. Decide whether you want sound effects. This is optional and can add a bit of polish if you need quick audio. When everything looks good, click Generate. Magnific will process your inputs and create the video that morphs from your start image to your end image, following your prompt. Rendering time can vary based on the model and length, so give it a moment and you're all set.